Welcome to our video on optimizing Claude for streamlined workflow planning. Today, you'll learn how to set up and optimize workflows, integrate tools, and troubleshoot issues to maximize productivity. Welcome to our channel. Did you know that optimizing your workflow can increase productivity by up to 30%? Today, we're diving into how Claude can become your best ally in workflow planning. From setting up to troubleshooting, we'll guide you through maximizing your efficiency in modern digital environments. Whether you're a seasoned planner or a beginner, stay tuned to learn how to integrate various tools seamlessly and keep your workflow running like a well-oiled machine. In this block, we'll explore Claude's capabilities. Claude is designed for those seeking to orchestrate workflows efficiently. It offers a range of features like task automation, real-time collaboration, and integration with popular digital tools. What sets Claude apart is its adaptability across various industries, whether you're in IT, marketing, or project management. By understanding its core functionalities, you'll be equipped to tailor Claude to fit your specific needs, making your digital workflows more robust and efficient.
Now, let's delve into setting up Claude for your specific needs. Start by customizing your dashboard to reflect your priorities. Adjust user settings to suit your workflow style and explore integration options with tools you already use. Define your workflow by creating task lists, setting deadlines, and assigning responsibilities. This initial setup is crucial as it lays the foundation for a streamlined workflow. Remember, a well-configured Claude setup not only saves time but also enhances team collaboration and productivity.
In this section, we focus on integrating Claude with other tools for synergy. Claude supports integration with a plethora of apps including Slack, Trello, and Google Workspace, enabling seamless collaboration across platforms. By connecting these tools, you can enhance team communication, automate repetitive tasks, and centralize project management. This interconnected approach not only boosts team efficiency but also ensures that all your digital resources work harmoniously towards your goals, achieving true synergy. Next, we explore configuring automated workflows in Claude. Automation is key to reducing manual intervention and increasing productivity. Set up triggers for routine tasks such as sending reminders, updating task statuses, or generating reports. Claude's automation feature allows you to manage tasks efficiently, saving time and minimizing errors. By leveraging automation, you can focus on strategic decision-making rather than mundane tasks, thereby significantly boosting your workflow productivity.
Let's talk about best practices for monitoring and adjusting workflows. Regular workflow audits are essential to ensure efficiency. Use Claude's analytics to track performance metrics and adjust workflows based on feedback and results. This process of continuous improvement allows you to refine your processes, eliminating bottlenecks and optimizing for efficiency. By staying proactive and responsive to changes, you can maintain a dynamic, productive workflow that meets evolving business needs.
In this block, we address troubleshooting common issues in tool orchestration. Identifying common problems such as integration conflicts or performance lags is the first step. Claude provides diagnostic tools that help in pinpointing these issues quickly. Employ effective problem-solving strategies to maintain harmony among your integrated tools. Resolve conflicts by checking compatibility settings and ensuring all tools are updated. By enhancing tool performance, you can maintain a smooth, uninterrupted workflow. Let's look at some case studies demonstrating successful workflow integrations. These real-world examples showcase how companies across different industries have leveraged Claude to optimize their workflows. From an IT firm automating their ticketing system to a marketing team synchronizing their campaign tools, these success stories provide practical insights and inspiration. By learning from these examples, you can apply similar strategies to your own workflow, ensuring that you're not just adopting best practices but also innovating for success. Finally, we explore future trends in workflow automation with Claude. As emerging technologies like AI and machine learning become more mainstream, they are shaping the future of workflow automation. Claude is at the forefront, incorporating AI-driven features to further enhance automation capabilities. To stay ahead, it's crucial to adapt to these evolving trends and future-proof your workflow. By doing so, you'll not only maximize efficiency but also ensure your processes remain agile and competitive in the ever-changing digital landscape.
Thank you for joining us on this journey to optimize Claude for streamlined workflow planning. We hope you feel empowered to take control of your workflows, implement the strategies you've learned, and boost your productivity. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights, and feel free to share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Your engagement helps us create content that truly meets your needs. Until next time, keep optimizing and stay productive.